Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and this is the Walgreens preview for the week of March the 14th to the 20th. Smack dab in the middle of the week on the 17th will be St. Patrick's Day, so probably on the 18th, all the St. Patrick's Day merchandise will probably be 50% off, and I'm sure they want that out the door so they could display more Easter stuff. So if you love St. Patrick's Day, definitely head over there on Thursday. Now this is a booster that I got. It's $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. This is a bit much for me. As you can see, the valid dates is from the 14th to the 20th, so that's the day that they're operating, and this is of a one-time use. Pay cash bills, your debit card, credit card, pennies, whatever you have for the balance to get this. This is way too rich for me. So since I'm not, the Queen of England, I will not be using this one. And usually when they have, spend 55, it's get back 10. So where is the other $3? But I'll be taking a big old pass on this one because this is just a bit too rich for this girl. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is with the NIVEA. It's BOGO 50% off. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. That's 50% right there. And because the word spend is in there, you have to pay cash bills, debit, credit card for the balance. Don't use your Walgreens cash or you will not get back your $10 of Walgreens cash. That's not negotiable. Now, I got this earlier in the month. It's $2 of Walgreens cash when I buy a NIVEA product. So, hey, that's a little something for me. Now on coupons.com, we have these $2 printables. I know a lot of you cannot get your hands on inserts. So at the very least, go onto coupons.com and do some printing today. And then also there is this $2 digital coupon. So if you wanted to do like 3 papers and 1 digital, you have that option to get some very inexpensive NIVEA. So looking at this, I have this guy from the Smart Source of the 7th, so March the 7th, and it's $4.50 off of 2, so it's like $2.25 off of the body lotions, and that's what we're going to go with. So for this deal specifically, we're going to be grabbing 4 of the $6.99 lotions, and remember, it's on that goofy buy one, get one 50% off, so thus you're only paying for 3, because that's how the math balances out, so that's why it's $20.97, but we're grabbing 4 of those, so 4 lotions at $6.99 is $20.97. Subtracting 2 $4.50 coupons from the Smart Source of March the 7th. That subtracts 9 right there. I have to pay $11.97 cash out of pocket. So bills, debit card, credit card, whatever. I'm getting back my $10 in Walgreens cash. Plus, I also get a $2 bonus because I had that goofy thing that I clipped last January. And if you have a spend $20, get $5 of Walgreens cash, you can also pair that with this one, and it's going to be a very large money maker for you. So this will definitely be the week of NIVEA. If you can look for those insert coupons, if you get inserts, or if you can print on coupons.com. Any way you slice it or dice it, next week is going to be all about NIVEA over at Walgreens. Okay, so the next deal that we have is with the Colgate toothpaste at $3.99. There will be a 4 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday morning, so you could load that little guy. And then $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So that's looking like a freebie if I've ever seen or heard of one. So just jogging through this math again, we're going to grab 2 tubes of the Colgate for $7.98, subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital. We're going to pay $3.98 out of pocket, get back $4 of Walgreens cash, making this guy completely for free. Now, if you're just buying this toothpaste on its own, like if you don't have one of those booster baskets, you can use your Walgreens cash to earn Walgreens cash, so it makes it a really cool freebie where you're not even really opening up your wallet other than to pay for the tax. Okay, this next deal, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3 or more participating personal care products. We're going to go for 1 Crest or the Oral-B and then 2 of the Olays. So 1 of the Crest for $3.99, 2 Olays for $12, and that is either the body wash or bar soap. It is your choice. So the total for your basket is $15.99. We have a $2 digital for the Crest, a 4 off of 2 for the Olay. Those will be showing up on Sunday, guys, to load them. You'll be left with paying $9.99 out of pocket, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $4.99 for the 3 or $1.66 per product. $1.66 per Olay. Fantastic deal. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash, if you're just buying this on its own, go for it and you will still earn it. Now, the next deal is with the Bounty and Charmin. They are $4.95, which is a really great price point because they're usually like $5.99, $4.99. So a little bit of savings right there. $6 register reward when you buy 4. And then we have these quarter coupons. So that is so generous. Grabbing 4 P&G products, make sure that you get 1 Charmin and 1 Bounty at the very least. For them is $19.80. Subtracting 2 quarter digital coupons. The ones from the March P&G are expiring on Saturday the 13th, so can't do it. I would also throw in $1 iced tea, so the new total is $20.30. Throw in $20 of Walgreens cash. 30 cents plus tax. Get back your $6 register rewards. Yes, it is a loss of $14 of Walgreens cash, but we have 4 things of paper products, and if you're really trying to build them, this is not the worst deal. Now, there's also this deal with the purex. So the crystals are not included, but the liquid and those packs are, and they are 3 for $6. So you know what I would do with that last register reward? Do a separate transaction, grab 3 Purex products for $6 on the nose, present that $6 register reward from the Bounty deal I just showed you. You're paying tax. And this is very smart. If you were a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile, that's just a really smart roll of one thing to the other. So I really love this little dealio. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the DiGiorno pizza. It's BOGO free, and it's usually $6.99 for the first one. And these are not keto friendly, just to let you guys know that. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $6.99 on the nose. So if you don't want the Purex, use your $6 register reward from that Bounty deal. You're paying 99 cents. I mean, this is a great item to throw into your freezer, and, you know, it's just a really great deal on these pizzas. So I definitely will try and figure out a deal to throw a couple of these in. Now, the next dealio that we have, guys, is with the Dial Body Wash. As you can see at the very bottom, see where it says Dial Body Wash, 16 ounces selected varieties. That is the piece of the puzzle that I'm not exactly sure about. And I'm kind of wondering if there's an IBOTTA rebate right now for $1.50 back on this clean and gentle one, which might be a higher, fancier one, but I don't really, spend my free time in that body wash aisle just glancing and glaring at everything. But if it is in fact included in this might be an even better deal. If not, we're going to look at it both ways. But when you're in the store on Sunday, I would absolutely say to try and look at this very carefully and wonder, possibly maybe a better deal with IBOTTA, and check that the rebate's still there too, because they like to take those away from us. Okay, guys, so this is that new, it's the Retail Me Not now called Savings. This is from the March 7th insert. So grabbing 2 of these for $6.98, subtracting that BOGO free from the Savings March 7th insert, you're paying $3.49 for the 2. Now, if by chance the fancier dancy gentle one is included, make a $1.50 submission twice to IBOTTA. It's 49 cents for the 2. We will not know till Sunday, till everything changes over, and maybe we might get lucky with this one, but it's not a given. If it's just business as usual, it's the top one. If it's a bit of magic, it's the bottom one, and I would absolutely get the gentle ones. Okay, so if you are a fan of the Viva line, this is a really great price point because this paper towel is like made out of gold or something. It's usually like, I don't know, guys, like twice the amount usually. Let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, but grabbing one of those for $4.99, if you have $5 in Walgreens cash or register rewards to throw in, you're paying tax, and this is a great item to stock up your stockpile. And again, let's not forget, this is part of their catalog over at Fetch. Photograph this receipt. You will get back extra points for this purchase, and it is a fancier paper towel. Speaking of fancy, we also have this razor, the Ladies Venus, for $9.99. There's a $3 digital, and then you'll get back a $4 register reward off your next purchase, and this is both for the men and the women's. So grabbing a Venus for $9.99, subtracting that $3 digital, you're left with paying $6.99 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $2.99 for this razor. Now, if you're buying this razor on its own or not with a booster deal, absolutely use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one. Now, this is a deal that will be going on for some time. It's a buy 3, get 1 for free on these P&G products. And yes, you can mix and match, but let's not forget to grab at least 4 items. So grabbing 4 Tides, let's put a Tide Pod in there for $14.97. We're only paying for 3 because remember that goofy promotion of buy 3, get 1 for free. Subtracting two $2 coupons, 1 for the pod, 1 for the liquid from the March P&G. And then I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 97 cents. Yes, it is a loss of $10 in Walgreens cash, but then you're getting really nice Tide for your stockpile, so this is not the worst little dealio. Okay, guys, so now we're going to go over to some honorable mentions, and the first one we're going to talk about is a ton of Unilever products. So, Suave, Shea Moisture. As you can see in the ad, Fetch Rewards has teamed up with Walgreens to get back a $10 gift card when you spend $30 in these products over at Walgreens. So this will be a deal. I'm going to have to wait and see price points and how we can make this go with the manufacturer coupons that we have. And typically how Fetch does this is they will give you the price after coupons. So we'll have to figure something out if this is worth a go. But I think this is pretty cool that Fetch Rewards is in the Walgreens ad saying, hey, cool app to use to save extra money. Okay, so these Walgreens brand, the Complete Home for the sandwich bags, storage, buy 1, get 2 for free. So the first one will usually be $2.79 and then 2 for free. It shakes it out to 93 cents per bag. And if you love to cook at home, like yours truly, this is a very good price point. And these are quite comparable to like Glade or Glad or Ziploc. And then the Irish Spring, I wonder if this one's going to be a ringer. It's 2 for $8. 75-cent coupon. I'm wondering if some magical high value coupon will show up. $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. And then the Bud Light, Coors, all that good stuff. The 15 pack is $10.49. You'll get back a $5 mail-in rebate to send to the manufacturer. They'll send you back a check or a gift card. And then so it makes it $5.49 after you get that the mail at home rebate back. And for this one, because it is alcohol, you can't use your Walgreens cash to pay it down, just to note that. Okay, so now we have the Star-Kissed tuna, 5 for $5, so it's $1 each. The original price for this is like $1.39, so this is a really great, staple to have in your pantry. Okay, so now we have some coffee creamer, which is the International. I think this one is a lot better than Coffee Mate. So 2 for $7, it shakes it out to $3.50 for each, and the fancy Dunkin' Donuts, and then the other one. You either like one or the other, and I love International, so this is a really good price point for that coffee creamer. And then these new energy drinks called Bang Energy, 2 for $4. I always see a lot of popular YouTubers chugging that cotton candy one, so I might have to grab one to try it so I can feel so fancy on Sunday. I'm just deeply curious by this product, and from $2.79 to $2 each, great price point. And then these 12 packs of either the 7-Up or the Coca-Cola, 3 for $8.99 or 3 for $10.99. Both excellent price points. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.